और शमशान बुखारी सूबाई वजीर की हैसियत से हलफ उठा रहे हैं।
As a minister of the government of the province of Punjab,
that as the minister of the government of the province of Punjab,
I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly to the best of my ability, faithfully, in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan
and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty,
integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of Pakistan. That I will strive to preserve the Islamic ideology, which is the basis of the creation of Pakistan.
which is the basis for the creation of Pakistan.
That I will not allow
My
personal interests
to
influence my official conduct
influence my official conduct
or my official decisions.
or my official decisions.
That I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
That in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. And that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as minister, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as minister, or as may be specially permitted by the Chief Minister. May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Ameen.
May Allah Almighty help me and guide me. Ameen.